Okay guys, in this video today I'm going to show you a win-win-win situation where you can help everybody make money, including yourself, anywhere up from $100 to $300 per day. Alright, so you're going to want to stick around and see this whole video to get all the details. I'm going to get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. As I said earlier, I'm going to show you how you can help everybody, including yourself. 3 ways here, including yourself involved, to make anywhere from $100 to $300 per day for yourself. And you're going to help other people as well. Okay? So alright, first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com website. And if this is your first time here to my videos and you have been here before and haven't yet subscribed to the channel, reach down there right now while you're thinking about it, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Always coming out with ways because I want to help you bring financial and time freedom into your life each and every video. Alrighty, and once in a while we'll even throw a motivational video in there for you as well too. Alrighty guys, well with that out of the way, I'm anxious to get started on this and show you how this is done. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to our Opera browser here, as you see, and we'll open that up and we'll come to a website here. Most people may know about this. It's called Pixabay. Alright, you see Pixabay here. It's stunning free images and royalty-free stock. Alrighty. Now, if you notice here on Pixabay, these are all free images here. But there's come all the way down, and each person, everybody can come here, even you, anyone can come here and upload their photos to this website and allow people to download them for free. Okay? And as you'll notice that they're all pretty neat images. There's all kinds of different categories. You can search out images. I mean, you could type in, like, for example, cars. And bring up all kinds of car images and things like that. I mean, just whatever you can think of, you can pretty much find it on this website here, Pixabay. As you see, it's up there in the address bar, pixabay.com. See that? And then for the other site, we're going to be using 3 sites for this, okay, for this method here today. And the other site, of course, for free pictures is unsplash.com. You see it right up here. Unsplash.com. They're also freely usable images powered by creators from everywhere, such as yourself. Here again, anyone can come here and upload their photos or images, and even videos too. These sites also have videos on them as well too. As you'll notice right here on Pixabay, it says videos, and then so on and so forth. You can even do videos on any of these 3 sites I'm going to show you here. And they've got different categories and stuff here, of course, that you can upload your photos into. And you can see they got good images here, and so on and so forth, all kinds of images, and every one of these are all downloadable and free to use, or copyright free, royalty free images that you can use, or anyone can use, to do whatever with. Alright? And then the third site that I want to bring up to you on this is Pexels. Everybody familiar with Pexels? You see it here in the address bar, Pexels.com, Pexels.com, and it's the best free stock photos and videos shared by talented creators too. And as you see here, people upload different photos and videos and things like that. Now, so 2 things I wanted you to notice here. Did you notice on each one of these sites there's 2 things about this that you probably didn't notice about here? Maybe one that you did, probably right underneath your nose, but the other one you didn't. The first thing is that you notice about this site is that, or not this site, but all 3 of the sites, is that all of the images are top quality images. Look at these images. Guys, these pictures were taken with good quality photographic equipment, good quality cameras. Okay, that's the first thing you notice. The second thing you notice is like if you just click on any one of these images, for example, we'll just click on this lighthouse image right here. You'll notice that these people are giving these images away for free, right? that's a free download. You see that? I'm on Pixabay now, and you see it's a free download. And it's the same on the other sites too. But the thing about it is these people are putting up good quality pictures or photographs, images, and they're not making any money with it. Well, you can like click, for example, right here where it says coffee. You see where my mouse pointer is there above my head. You can click on coffee, and you can donate through PayPal to these people that upload these images. But my guess is they're probably not making much money doing this. Well, that's where we come in. We're going to help these people make money today. Okay? So, anyways, what you do is, and you do this on each one of these sites here. So you see it's a good quality image. What you're going to do is you're going to click on like their profile name right here, but next to the person's picture. Click on that, and it takes it over to their particular page or profile on Pixabay, and you see that all of the particular photos that this person uploaded. And man, I got to say that these are very good quality images. I don't know if you guys are able to see that or not on here, but they're very good quality images. And so what you're going to do is pick on people that have good quality images on here, and the same thing over here on unsplash.com. You can type in, of course, whatever images you want, and you can click on any one of these images here, and it loads it up, and you see the person's name up here. Like, for example, this one's Patrick Mueller, and if you click on his image there, or his name, it brings you over, and you see all of the photos that he's uploaded here, which are all very good quality photographs here that he's got. Probably not making any money here, right? So if we click on some of these well, this person, they don't have anything anyway on here, it looks like, to give these guys any kind of a donation or anything like that on Unsplash. And then on the other side here, Pexels, the same thing. They've got good quality images here. So for example, if we was to click on one like this one right here, and they do have a donate button here, which is, if you click on the donate button, it takes them over to PayPal again, and then they can donate. But my guess again is these people aren't making very good money by having donations given to them. Probably not many people donating. But again, if you click on the person's name that uploaded this photo, it should take you over to their particular profile page. You see all the photos that they have uploaded, and might I say again that these are all very good quality photos. Very good quality. Alright, so on these three sites, we're going to help these people make money here. Okay? Now, how are we going to do this? What we're going to do is we're going to come over to a site right here called Shutterstock. If you see it, it's up here in the address bar, shutterstock.com. Shutterstock charges people for photos here. And I mean, Shutterstock takes quality photos. In fact, all of the photos on those other three sites are good enough quality that they could be uploaded here on Shutterstock. So the same thing is what you're going to do is come over here to Shutterstock, and what you're going to do is scroll all the way to the bottom, clear to the bottom of the site. And right here you see where it says affiliate reseller right here. You're going to click on that link right there. And when that loads up, you're going to join the Shutterstock affiliate program. Okay? And if you look right here, it says join the Shutterstock affiliate program and earn up to $300 per new customer purchase. Alright? Alright, so just what you want to do is come here and click on join now. And that'll load up here into their application, and you can fill out this application right here and sign up to become an affiliate, and just submit your application. And once you get approved, they will give you a unique affiliate link, right? And then once you get your affiliate link with Shutterstock and you're approved to be an affiliate, what you're going to do then is you're going to want to come to, for example, Pixabay, and you're going to use all three of these sites, because here again, guys, just like with all affiliate marketing, it's a numbers game. The more that you post, the more chances you have for people to sign up and you to make money up to $300, anywhere from about $100 to $300 per sign up on Shutterstock, right? And that's what it said right here. Anywhere earn up to $300 per new customer purchase here. Okay. All right. So what you're going to do then is, after you've got your affiliate link with Shutterstock, then you're going to come over to, for example, Pixabay. You're going to pick a photo off of Pixabay. You're going to click on the person's name. It brings you over to this profile right here. Then all you're going to do is come over, and you're going to come over to the right here, and you're going to click on message right here. Click on message. Now, I haven't signed in, but it's going to come up. Once you're signed in, you can sign in with Facebook or Google to Pixabay, and once you click on message, it's going to bring up a message where you can send them like an email, and you're just going to give it a title or something like that, and write a nice message like, "I really enjoy your pictures. You have great, good quality pictures," and you can put in there that you can actually do a search on Google. For example, let's just do that. We'll come over here to Google and say how to make money, or how much can I make on Shutterstock, right? Shutterstock. If I can spell it right, I'll be in good shape here. On Shutterstock, and just throw that in, and you can look down here, like for right here, for example. You see this article right here. It says, "How much can you make on Shutterstock?" And this person here says, "I made $42,000." It's an article. You can add this link to this article in your message to this person on the message you send to them, so that they can see how much is possible for them to make selling their pictures on Shutterstock.com. And then at the end of that message that you write in there, you want to put in your affiliate link from Shutterstock, and just tell them that you can go over and put your affiliate link into bit.ly.com, shorten it up so it doesn't say anything about Shutterstock on it. Shorten it up, put your affiliate link in the bottom of their message that you send them, with the article from Google there about how they can make $42,000, and with the link to that article too in your message, so that they can come and read that article. Actually, if we click on that article and open it up in another link here, and it loads up, and then the person here shows how they made their $42,000 with the images that they sold. It's an article about that, and talks a little bit about it, and so on and so forth down here. So you can include the link to this article, which is will be right up there in the address bar, and put that in your message, sort of enticing them, right? And then put your affiliate link at the bottom of that message that you send to the person, and then do the same thing. You're going to come over to over here to unsplash.com. You're going to pick an image. You're going to click on the person's profile, and then if you see right here, it says send a message, right? Of course, if I click on that, they want me to log in. I have not logged into Unsplash, but it's the same thing. You're going to come up with an email type message window, and you're going to type your message into there. Give them the article to like what you found off of Shutterstock, so they can read that and get an idea how much money is possible for them, and then put your affiliate link from Shutterstock down at the bottom of that message, and then just send that message to them on Unsplash. And then you come over and do the same thing on Pexels. Click on someone's name after you click on a photograph, and then click on message, and the same thing there. Once you sign into Pexels, it'll come up, and you can send this person a message. And so if you can imagine, guys, that if you do this on all three of those websites, sending messages to each of those people, eventually if you get 300 or 400 messages out there, you're going to make some sales. You're going to be able to make quite a bit of money yourself through being affiliate with Shutterstock.com. Okay, guys? Alrighty. Well, guys, that's what I had to show you today. If you like this video here, give me a thumbs up and got some value out of it. Also, you ought to take action on this, because this is a really easy way to make money for free. It doesn't cost you anything to do this. Alrighty? And also, don't forget to reach down there and hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified. And also, I want to mention to you that if you want to stop fooling around with these smaller ticket items that I'm showing you, and you want to get out of that 9 to 5 job that you've got, or that second or third shift job that you're doing that you hate and can't stand, then you want to click that link down there at the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com. You see it there at the top of your video too. Click on mentorwithkev.com, come over, sign up for my free video training, and then look at the back of my funnel. You'll get to meet Dave Sharp, who is the owner and CEO of Legendary Marketer, the powerful business platform where you can learn how to market, and you will get a personal coach that will help you set your business up in 15 days or less for just the price of a Starbucks cup of coffee, and get your business set up and have an opportunity to make up to $4,000 in just one day. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Check that out, and I'll let you go, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.